If you're running a hospitality business the same way you did 3 years ago, you're already behind. The smartest restaurant, cafe, and hotel owners I see are making strategic moves right now that will define their next decade. Today, I want to share 4 hospitality trends that are separating the winners from the strugglers, and more importantly, what restaurant exit strategy and hotel investment opportunities should be considering. I'm Contacitors, and these hospitality market analysis insights come from working directly with hospitality owners and are capitalizing on these shifts rather than being swept away from them. Mixed-use hospitality development. Trend number 1. Smart hospitality owners aren't just thinking restaurant or hotel anymore. They're thinking hospitality ecosystem. What I'm seeing, restaurants adding accommodation spaces above or adjacent. Hotels developing signature dining experiences that attract locals, not just guests. Cafe owners partnering with co-working spaces or retail. Resort developers integrating residential, retail, and entertainment. Why does this matter? Buyers and investors are paying premium prices for properties that generate multiple revenue streams and serve multiple markets. The strategic question is, how can your property serve more than one hospitality function? Trend number 2, experience-based premium positioning. This drives hospitality buyer psychology. I see many hospitality owners decide to cut their prices in order to create more business. The problem with that mentality is that there's a race to the bottom, and generally everyone loses. Maybe there's only one winner at the most. Customers visit our venues for the experience, and if we provide valuable experience, they are willing to pay for it. If you're just hungry and wanted a quick meal, you can just go to your local fast food place. That was your desire. You're hungry. The restaurant business trends show that hospitality businesses selling for top dollar aren't just serving good food or providing clean rooms. They're creating experiences that customers can't get anywhere else. For example, years ago, country hotels are very hard to sell, basically basic hotels. Now they're developing new businesses within the hotel systems like health retreats or some sort of experiences, and it's attracting a new type of clientele. As a result, some are selling for really great prices and getting good returns. What hotel investment trends and cafe business growth strategies reveal buyers are paying premium prices for? Unique dining concepts with local storytelling. Accommodation that offers authentic regional experiences. Event venues that create Instagram-worthy moments. Sustainable hospitality businesses models with strong community connections. This isn't just about spending money on fit-outs. It's about strategic positioning that justifies high prices and creates customer loyalties for hospitality property development. The key insight is, when you sell a hospitality business, buyers pay for your revenue, but they pay premium for your brand positioning and customer experience differentiation. The strategic question, what experiences are you selling beyond your core service? Have you thought about that? The trend number 3, technology, integration, and operational independence. Technology isn't optional anymore. It's expected. But here's what most hospitality owners get wrong. They think technology about efficiency. Smart owners understand it about scalability. The hospitality businesses attract the highest variations have booking and payment systems that run without owner involvement, inventory and cost control systems that provide real-time data, customer relationship management that drives repeat businesses, social media and market automation that generates consistent leads. Why this matters for transitions. Buyers pay significantly more for hospitality businesses that can operate without learning your personal systems or depending on your relationships. They say like a turnkey situation. Technology creates operational independence, and operational independence creates premium valuations. The strategic question: can your hospitality business run successfully if you're away for 3 months? Let's be honest. Fourth trend: sustainability as competitive advantage. Sustainability isn't just about good ethics. It's good business. The owners positioning for premium exits are integrating sustainability in ways that reduce costs and higher value customers. What's working? Energy efficient operations that reduce overheads, local sourcing that builds community partnerships and reduce supply costs, e.g. restaurants buying from local farmers in country areas, waste reduction systems that improve margins, sustainable tourism positioning that attracts conscious travellers. But here's the key. This isn't about expensive solar panels or complete renovations. The smartest moves are operational changes that improve profitability while building market differentiation. Now you'll be thinking, these trends sound expensive and complicated. However, the most successful hospitality transactions have begun with strategic thinking rather than major investment. Here's how to start. Our trends align with your property and market. Not every trend works for every business, but every successful hospitality business needs to position for at least 2 of these trends. Second, think transition timeline. If you're planning to sell in 2-3 years, focus on changes that improve both current profitability and buyer appeal. If you're planning 5+ year ownership, you have time to implement more comprehensive strategies. Third, consider partnership. Many of these trends work best when hospitality owners collaborate rather than trying to do everything independently. The key insight is these aren't just operational improvements. They're strategic positioning moves that determine whether you sell at market price or a premium price. Here's what I want to know from you. Which of these trends are you currently seeing in your market? And more importantly, which one represents the biggest opportunity for your hospitality business? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every comment and often address specific scenarios in future videos. If these trends have you thinking about your own positional strategy, subscribe and hit the notification bell. The question is, what is your strategic positioning for tomorrow?